2, 1.
Dell here again to show you my cordless keyboard. I switched. Previously had a keyboard that lit up in different colors, and it kind of, if you're in a little dark area without sufficient light, like we got, this is already on. Any rate, this one, you charge it up USB, and it lasts a while. Pretty good on it. Holds the charge pretty good. And once you hit one button, it lights up. It doesn't stay lit that long. You got to keep typing, but it. And one of the features about this is that's different from a normal keyboard. As you can see, to my left and sort of behind me, over my left shoulder, and behind me, I've got three monitors. So there are three items here, 3 places here that the keyboard reacts to the particular monitor, and so that's really nice. And I'm using this, and I like it a lot, even though usually I just leave it sit here. And previously, the previous keyboard was down here on the desk, which is that little that roll-out drawer, which is meant for probably a keyboard where most people put it. It's the way I had mine, but I didn't keep it that way. As soon as I got the cordless keyboard, I put that there. But it doesn't have to stay there. You can, if you for whatever reason have to move, you take it with you. You can see I just put some giraffes on there by hitting a button inadvertently, and I have a policy of not mentioning brand names normally. Otherwise, I'd tell you that brand name of this, because I do like this item a lot, especially when I come across something that I like. And this was, as I said, the previous keyboard. It wasn't just one. I had 2 of those previous keyboards, the colored ones, that I liked them so much. That's why I had 2. But this one comes along. It doesn't really have the colors, but it's got this kind of convenience. You're right here. It's not tethered to a wire. You're not limited in that way. So if for whatever reason you might somebody might be watching me that's more of an imaginative nature, and they might figure out different ways that the convenience of this item might suit them and help them along with their computer endeavors and so forth. And so I see somebody sitting in a what do they call those lounge chairs? Those kind of where the bottom lifts up, and you can put you have your computer keyboard there. And here, through a drag and drop system, I say I got 3 monitors, but actually I got 4. I got the big TV behind the camera, and that again is a drag and drop option. So technically I think I could have 4 different things, one thing on each keyboard. I don't normally do things that way, and but you know, it could be somebody combination of this and the big TV and the ideas behind this. You might figure out useful ways to use this. So I'm recommending this, another kind of product that I recommend it because of the convenience of it and so forth, and the easeability of use. And
3, 2.
In conjunction with this wireless keyboard, I've got 2 USB devices that allow the keyboard to be used with, I think, 2 other devices. So I'm opening up the package now to show you what this looks like. Okay, there. Bigger package, little item, but important little item. You can see that the plug-in is down on the bottom there, and then the little handle for that is, I guess it acts like an antenna or something. So again, it's all wireless, and then this keyboard could work with your Android phone. It could work with your tablet. And okay, there's 2 things right there. It works with the TV. There's 3 things. So, and I have 2 of these items here, not just 1, but 2. So that's you're learning this as I'm learning it, and so I think that's pretty nifty, if there is such a word in use. Maybe the EOD maybe got rid of that word a long time ago, but it's something that's useful, and and modern technology is involved with that, and wireless, etc., etc. I can't say enough about this. I didn't know about this till just this moment. I was sold on the keyboard the way it was, and these items came the same time the keyboard came, and I just left them in the boxes and didn't pay much notice to them. But I'll reiterate, as I understand it, this item can work with your phone, it can work with your tablet, and it can work with your smart TV. So that's worth the price of admission right there. So, we have to talk some more about this. You know, we got in this business, we're looking to try for 4,000 hours, and we've got a few to go to get there. So I have to drag things out a little bit, but I try to be precise and concise, and get the point across, and not involve too much of your time.
Just wrap it up then.
So I have to follow the directions of my producer, and he says, now I can wrap it up. So I squeezed a few extra seconds out of it with this, but still a long ways to go. So at any rate, if you've got comments, we would appreciate them. We don't get many comments, and the reason why we're trying to do this is to see if what we're talking about and what we're doing is of some use to people, that somebody gets some ideas from it, and somebody might evaluate products according to what we say, and the usefulness of it, the convenience of it versus the price of it. And I don't mention prices. I pretty much steer away from that. But and I don't mention brand names either normally. You can probably figure out, where I bought things from and that kind of thing, but I just generally try not to mention them. But I don't have anything against those delivery people and the stores and the service that they perform. I guess it's just a policy. I can blame it on the producer. It's all his doing. So this is enough for this. Getting the idea across about this cordless keyboard here, and so I'm going to sign off for now. We're signing off. Is there anything else we need? Still need to do some more. Okay.
No, this means wrap it up. Just say like your sign off.
Okay, so I've been saying it in Espanol. Suscríbete y comenta. Now, I took it for granted that people would know what I'm talking about, but in English, it's subscribe. Please subscribe and comment. So I'll leave you with that thought, and we'll see you next time.